Hello guys, I'm Engineer Paul and I'm going to be showcasing our final release or our final app version for the manufacturing software. So if you have a business and you want us to build a customized system for you, watch how the system operates and then contact us for a quote. Okay, so the first thing that happens is it asks for a login access code. So the first thing that happens is that it asks for a login access code, and then it gives asks for the codes, that's the general code, and then asks for the user access code to know which user you are. Now after this user access code is entered, it then greets the user, explaining its name, and then begins to load all the content. Yes, our AI speaks. Yes, on Excel. Yes, it responds to the user. Whenever you have an error, it can talk to you. It can try to understand you. Imagine building a machine learning language on Excel. So I'll just briefly show you the app because of time. I'll log in as admin.
My name is PIV. I am the personal business AI.
So that was the AI talking to you now, waking up and then loading all the record from this database, and then you can then scroll down and then view your record at a glance, knowing what is what weekly, monthly, daily. All right, so quickly I'll go to dashboard. Look up here, you can see your currently event total, inventory cost, inventory removed today, weekly, monthly expense, today expense, and blah blah. So I'll go to dashboard. Now on dashboard, I'll see my report for my inventory. This is for only the inventory. Now you can see carton. If I want to see specific, this thing for belly shape, 5 set pots, I would see the report I have 23. My reorder level is 1000, so it's below my reorder level. That's why you're seeing this error. If I go to other products that have high reorder, see this PIP test product, the test product I used to show a client of mine, you can see it's 113. The order level is 20, so you can see there's the automatic alert. Now you can see PIB help, reach me out when you have issues, stock in, stock out for this month only. At the beginning of every month, soft midnight of the first of every month, this report resets to 0. It's only given for this month. Total stock value of the current stock you have in your store, stock category. You can add new product from here. You can go back and then add new stock. When you have the new product already, you now want to put in stock because you've gone to the market, you bought new supplies. This is where you put it in. And then you go to the market or customers come, they want to buy something. This is where you go out and remove stock. This is where you go to remove stock out of the store. Now there are other options in this app, like for instance, the stock in report shows you the reports for stocks that you have been bringing in, so you can customize it, put your vendor and every other thing. And then the stock out is the same thing with the stock in. Then you have your product master telling you everything about your products with a data bar formula, and giving you a glance view report. You can see 30,000 to 8,000 at the highest tier, so you can see the bar on the glance view reports. Okay, so I'll go to our cash book. This is our menu down here. I'll go to our cash book, and our cash book is tracking our expense and our income. Now everything on factory overhead is on orange, and everything or light brown rather, everything on admin expense is on blue. So if I come down here and select admin expense, you can see it's on blue. Okay, so I'll go down, I'll go back to then we have our AI clock. Instead of typing the time by yourself, you just click where you are and click the AI clock, so it brings up the clock for you. Okay, so everything here is being filled. They are automated. The time and the days automated. As you're filling the form, you're not typing anything. It's a drop down button. You're selecting here to you select. You can see, so everything is selection, even down to here. So down to your vendor too, it's still selection. So you're not really typing anything except when you're putting your amount. So you go back to your dashboard, you go to staff room, you can track staff attendance. Lawal Abiodun is the manager in this company. His daily salary is 1,000 naira. John Michael, the security, daily salary is 400 naira. How do you track all this data? And they're coming to work. So let's say first of, okay, look at the date here, January. This is January 1st of January. Let's go to February. You can see February is starting on a Thursday. Let's check our calendar. So our calendar is saying that February is starting then on a Thursday, is correct. So let's go to March. This is just for confirmation. March is starting on a Friday, so let's look at our real calendar and see when March is starting. Okay, March is starting, yes, on a Friday. So let's go back to January. This is a real-time calendar with the year. Up to 10 years, you can track this data for up to 10 years before you call us for a maintenance. Okay, so we'll go up to January and begin to track the data for January. You can see the month is changing to selecting the month. Now this is work shift, overtime, working holiday, holiday, sick, and vacation. Some of them have payment, some of them don't have payment. When you come to work, you are paid. When you're sick, you're not paid. When you're company vacation, you are paid. Working holiday, you're coming to work during holiday period, you are paid double. So Lawa Abiodun is the manager. He works 1,000 naira every day. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times he has come, and one time is 6. So it's 6 times in total work days, and 6,000 naira is paid. John Michael is security, 400 naira. He has come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 400 is 2,400. So that's his pay. So if I come here and say this guy, let's say he's on holiday, for instance, you can see he didn't get any pay. You can configure it in settings for him to get pay during holiday. And say maybe he worked overtime. Now he's getting what? Extra what? 500 naira on overtime. Now if it goes down to sick, he's not getting any pay. If it goes down to vacation, he's not getting any pay, like we've said. And remember, the colors are changing as you're filling it according to the days of the month. So you have your record for your staff attendance throughout the year. This is the settings where you can impute stuff like new staff, new information of staff, their position, the money of the amount for each position, the overtime, if you overtime will be paid, if holiday will be paid, if sick will be paid, and the percentage will be paid. This is where you do all that. So let's go back to staff room, then we'll go back to dashboard, then we'll go back to admin. We're just coming from admin, showing the general reports. Go to production. Now this is the production list. As the report is going from one shape to the other, it's giving you the report up here. Now look, this is straight shape. Straight shape is in blue, pot cover is in brown, and then belly shape pot is in yellow. Now general is in purple. So whenever I click straight shape, it shows me a blue, and it start counting. You need 13 steps to be complete for a pot to be arranged. So now he has counted one, meaning it's not complete. We've selected the pot. Yes, okay, what are we going to do? So it's giving an error. So when I do everything up to 13, it's telling me completed. See, if I delete this one, I can see the last transaction is completed, and you can see yes, so it's telling me completed. So let me start with belly shape. You can see belly shape is telling me yellow, and belly shape begin to count. Once I'm done with belly shape, it begins to count. Here telling me how many belly shape I've made. So far I've made one successfully. You can see belly shape is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes, it's 5, I mean, sorry. So 5, once you select the belly shape here, it's giving you the count of the production you've started and the current belly shape that you have. So down to straight shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and then pot and the rest of that. So down to the end of the row, you can see, you can take the reason why the production was fast or maybe why the production was slow. Now when you type your long reason, no matter how long it is, when you end it with error, it shows you on red. When you end it with perfect, it shows you on green. Let me show you an example. Let me say Paul is a great programmer. Perfect. You can see it shows green. Wake up early to study. Error. So I type error, you can see it's showing me on red. So it's customized like that. The week and the month is being calculated, and now the time difference between production is being shown on the report, on the general report list. Now let's go back to maintenance. I can go to maintenance from here, but I choose to go to the dashboard so you understand them row by row. So I go to maintenance here. Maintenance is a message from me to all the maintenance staff. Now okay, you can see here is what are we maintaining, what device are we maintaining. Is it generator, is it the pot making machines, the 9 pot making machines? So you state anytime you select generator, it's showing you on green. Any generator I select is on green, as long as it's a generator. You see it's on green, but if it's not a generator, it's on gray. Gray means data has been entered on that cell. So repair is on red, preventive maintenance is on green. So I will go down. Now Alawa Abiodun is a special staff to me. Anytime I enter Alawa Abiodun, it shows me the blue. For Alawa Abiodun is a special staff. So with this you can track staffs that have been on duty when generator has been spoiling, stuff like that. Okay, so you go down to equipment part cost. How much this part cost when I was fixing or maintaining this equipment? Then the vendor, how much did the vendor collect? Then equipment labor, how much did it cost to dispatch the equipment down to my store or office or factory? Now equipment uptime, that this, if I go back to say equipment downtime and the uptime, you'll be able to get the time difference in between. Now the highest time difference, you'll be seeing it on green. The highest time difference, the lowest time difference is on red. So because I selected the product, say the time started counting, but we've not filled it. So if I delete it, you can see that red will go away, and red will no longer be the highest product. You can see it up and down. So now the lowest, sorry, it's a product timeline. The lowest timeline is this transaction, and the highest is this 6 hours difference between uptime and downtime. So everything is already calculated. Then this is a previous repair and maintenance. Was the maintenance low or fast, and any other information about the transaction. This is the total cost of what you spent to that repair. The total cost is coming from here, adding up these three figures here. You can see the data bar giving you glance view reporting. Now adding up these three figures here to give you the total cost of everything. Now let's go back to I can also notice our AI clock that give you automatic time. I talked earlier in this video. Go back to dashboards, and the next one is the app engine, where you can fill your information. This is strictly for the admin. Then guest report. If I go into guest report, I'll not be able to come out. It locks me out of the app. So it's for the guests. You can click on guest report and leave your laptop for somebody. The person cannot leave that place. You can see in this our Excel application, there is no sheet down here. There's no scroll bar up here anywhere. There's no formula bar, nothing. There's no, you cannot edit. You can only edit what the programmer wants you to edit. There's a greeting message with voice. There's an AI automated message at the dashboard. I'll show you that. But before I go to the AI automated message at the dashboard, I'll show you my log app. This is my log app telling you the terms and my condition of PIB Group, my company, regarding my intellectual property, which is my formulas and my code used to build the software. So you go through you can pause video and go through it, and then I'll go back to dashboard. Okay, my previous version, you will need lock app. You need to turn the lock app page to exit. See the exit button here to bring up the password during relogging. But in this version, in the next version, I'll take out this page because it's no longer necessary. I'll just make it an agreement page. In this version, I can log the app from anywhere. I can stay and turn it off on relogging. It's asking for a login detail. So then I'll go to my guests report. No, I wanted to show you my AI. So there's an automated AI greeting here. You can see good day boss and PIB or AI real-time reporter. Remember to stay hydrated today and take it easy at work. Back to report. You correctly spent 8,386.38. So 8,000 or 838,775 naira in repair maintenance, and today 0 items were removed. Also, I noticed 0 naira worth of inventory items were removed today, and so far you spent 10,100 naira extra salary. So once we start removing items, this thing will start counting automatically. It is counting automatically. I would like to show you a sample, but this video is more than, how long do I want it to be? Oh shit, 13 minutes. I don't think I can upload this on any social media site. I call it a short video. All right, so that's that about the software. And I'll quit it, I'll lock it, and then open it again so you can see how it launches with the AI voice and everything. Okay, general password, then user password next. Then AI voice initiation next.
My name is PIV. I am the personal business AI.
Then report launch initiated. All right, God bless you. Thank you very much.